Today, we will stir-fry bell pepper with 2 recipes. Stir-fry onion and bell pep. 2 ingredients for this recipe: onion and bell peppers. Sliced bell peppers. Stir-fry onion until translucent. Add bell peppers and stir-fry. Season with oyster sauce and chicken powder. Stir-fry onion and bell peppers is done. Yummy! This dish is crispy and sweet, good to go with rice. Give it a try. Share this delicious recipe also with your family and friends. Next, let's stir-fry bell pepper with celery and mushrooms. Indeed are bell peppers, celery and mushrooms. Mushroom remove stem. Wash all ingredients. Peel celery fiber with peeler. Celery is tastier and crunchy without fiber layer. Sliced mushrooms and bell peppers. Sliced celery. Stir-fry chopped onion until fragrant. Add celery and mushroom. Add 2 tablespoons of water and simmer for 1 minute. Season with oyster sauce, salt and chicken powder at taste. Add bell peppers and stir-fry evenly. Thicken the sauce with cornstarch water. Plate. Stir-fry bell pepper with celery and mushroom done. Look at the color, so beautiful. Share this delicious recipe with your friends and family. They will love it too. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.